The ocean floor just off the eastern United States is deeply carved with hidden canyons, teeming with exotic and breathtaking species of plants and animals.
At times of lower sea level, rivers ran out across the continental shelf and carved out the top parts of the canyons.
Just east of those canyons, 4 extinct volcanoes called seamounts rise from the ocean floor. The canyons and seamounts are home to an extraordinary universe of life. Huge schools of squid and mackerel forage in these waters. Tuna, marlin, swordfish, dolphins, and even the occasional sea turtle. Whales traverse the canyons, including endangered sperm whales which can consume up to a ton of deep-water squid and fish every day.
There's forests of whip corals, fan corals. In fact, there's small bolides. They're hundreds of years old.
These pristine canyons and seamounts are vulnerable to bottom trawling, seismic exploration, and oil and gas drilling.
There's no wisdom tradition in the history of the world that says that the world is ours to destroy.
Choosing some places that we don't want to impact is going to be key to conserving these communities into the future.
For now, this region remains largely untouched. It's been protected for centuries, essentially by our ignorance, our inability to see it. But not anymore. Now that we know and can reach the riches it contains, we can plunder them or protect them.